Welcome to my channel. This is Rob speaking. This is an example of the software that came with a little weather machine I picked up at Walmart a couple years ago. I think it was only about maybe 120 bucks or something like that. It was pretty cheap, so I grabbed it, and I didn't really know the value of it until I actually hooked it up and started playing with it. I had originally put a plug on a telephone cord backwards and couldn't get it working right, and I just shelved it. Anyways, I dug it out of the mothballs and found what I did wrong with it, and fixed it up and plugged it in, and sure enough, it works. So now we've got this is our wind speed here. Right now it's showing 8.3 miles per hour. I think it takes about a minute and a half to before it gathers a new set of information. Okay, see, it just changed to 7.5 miles an hour, and our maximum down here shows 44.7. That was a pretty good gust of wind today. This has been plugged in for a few hours now, maybe 4 hours now. And over on this side here, this shows your gusts, and it shows our maximum gust is 44.7. And I imagine, because that's 18.4, I imagine that seems to be an average. It changes. I'm not sure when, but I haven't seen it change, but I have seen that it does change. Now, this little red thing goes up and stays up wherever the gust happens to max out at. It's kind of like a little, it just shows how far it went. It also shows you our wind direction. It's got our actual degrees in direction, and it shows you kind of an average here with this little red thing. Kind of shows you where it's kind of usually coming from, I guess. And this is bobs around back and forth every minute or so, and that's that. This here is your barometric pressure. It shows a chart, but you have to have that plugged in for a few days, and so it starts to gather information. Our wind went down to south, 180 degrees there just now. Okay, let's see. It tells our barometric pressure and everything up there, or tells us our little weather thing. Over here, we've got rainfall. Well, we don't bother with that because it's still winter up here. Shows our wind chills. Yeah, I guess that's our wind chill there. That's showing like about 22. Yeah, 22.5 Fahrenheit wind chill. And let's see what our temperature is. 30.4. Oh, we're having a heat wave right now. That's pretty good. And let's see, tells us our outdoor temperature. Here's our humidity, our minimum, maximum. That's at 28. Indoor temperature down here. All in all, it shows up pretty good on the computer here. I'm pleasantly surprised here, actually, how good it is.